What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to do Rat's Nest for Handshake. This is a relatively simple mission. Essentially, we need to gather intelligence from the hideout in the southwest part of town, and once we've done so, report back to Handshake with the intelligence. So for me, it's the southwest part of town and the southeast part of town. Obviously, yours may be slightly different to you, depending on what faction you chose, but essentially, the town has the same general T-shape to it, and the southeast and southwest for me may be the northeast and northwest, etc. Essentially, it's off this right side of the T-shape here. I'll go ahead and show you exactly what you need to do now. Alright, so for Rat's Nest, there are two different hideouts that we need to visit and collect an item from within them. We'll start off with the second one, which is this one over here. In my case, it's the southeast part of town. If we have a look at the map, you'll see that it's roughly over here. This is the building that we need to get to. Just remember that the town is shaped like a T. It'll be rotated based on whichever faction you're in. I'm in the extreme top left side of the map, so this is how it's shaped for me. Essentially, it's just upwards off of the top of the right arm of the T, right about here. So that's where I'll be heading. Alright, so I'm approaching this building here. We'll need to get inside of it, so I'll probably be using the front entrance. And there are some AI in the area. So there's one AI down and into this building here. Alright, so this is the back entrance, and of course, this is the front entrance over here. This is what it looks like. Coming into the building, near the center area here, you'll find a table with a convict notebook on it. Take this item, as we'll need to take it back to spawn. This should tick off the second half of the mission, as you can see over here. Now for the second half, we'll need to head right across to the other side of town, down the T to about just west in my case of the convenience store about here. This is quite out of dodge, but at least it should hopefully be a little bit quiet. Let's get there. Oh, and keep this notepad safe. I'll put it in my backpack. Alright, so here we are by the water tower. We'll be heading across this way towards our goal. We won't be heading into the town, but we'll be heading pretty much down this pathway here. And our goal is just over here. Once again, this area should be crawling, and the building itself is marked. There you go. So there's already a player inside of it. I'll announce that I'm coming, I suppose, and we'll head into this building here. This is obviously being cleared out by a fellow teammate. What we need to do is head into this building here, and just inside of it, we should find another clue or a bit of document. I think it's upstairs. So upstairs, here we go. Thug's smartphone. We'll take this. This is the second part that we need to complete this mission. There we go. Sweet. Once you return back to spawn, simply open up your tasks list once more and we'll be handing them in. So vendors, handshake, tasks, and we'll be handing in both of these. So hand over and hand over. Just like that, we've now completed the mission and we've unlocked a patrol backpack, which is a really big backpack. And there we go. Sweet. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.